Today we are here at AWS in conversation with Sheikh Salman, Deputy Chief Executive at the Information and E-Government Authority in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Before we start, can you just give us a little insight about your role and the role of the IGA in Bahrain?
The IGA is a central authority that operates and manages IT applications in the government and makes sure they keep running. We also build applications for the public sector, and we're also in charge of running the consolidated portal for e-government services.
How has the cloud enabled innovation or accelerated innovation in the government of the Kingdom of Bahrain?
Traditionally, as you all are aware, it takes forever to procure anything. And by the time the equipment comes along, it's been 8 to 12 months by the time you have the infrastructure to do that. The cloud is changing that model for us. It gives us transparency into cost and allows us to quickly and rapidly deliver IT services. Our turnaround cycle right now is from 12 months to a few hours.
So what are you doing about readiness, also bearing in mind the need for digital skills? How has your team embraced the cloud?
You need to first off with the right foundation. I think the right foundation is a competent IT team. After that, it's just enabling that knowledge of the cloud, how the cloud works, the nuances of the cloud. We've engaged the private sector in the capacity building. So we have AWS training that is available to all IT workers in the government, and they get trained and certified.
And what about security, Sheikh Salman? I understand security is an important decision factor for considering cloud. Has the cloud actually improved security for the government?
By leveraging things like BYOK, and especially AWS's BYOK, which is completely different than the other offerings, it gave me that assurance that private key is within the government.
How do you see this AWS region positively impacting not just Bahrain, but the region at large?
The region itself, with regards to IT, has always suffered from the Middle East margin. So from a price perspective, the cloud is an equalizer. The second is the closeness of the infrastructure, where we can have a region that we can leverage, and so that connectivity cost that goes all the way to Europe now gets dropped.
Thank you very much, Sheikh Salman, for your time.